What's up, guys? So welcome back to another episode of the Trends on Social Media show right here on Odate TV. If you go on Twitter right now, Akuapem poloo is trending. I'm going to give you guys the details of why Akuapem poloo is trending #1 on Twitter shortly after this particular break. Yeah, guys, if I go straight to this particular issue, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below, and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime you drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yes, Akuapem poloo is currently trending #1 on Twitter. It has to do with the fact that she actually dropped a video earlier on this morning where she was talking about her experience in jail, and also the fact that people are calling her saying that, you know, they've sent her money and she's ungrateful. Yes, so remember before Akuapem poloo was sent to jail, DKB, that's comedian DKB, was actually raising funds for her son, okay, and the numbers were actually circulating on social media, telling people who, you know, are compassionate about this particular issue to, you know, send money here and there. So when she was actually granted bail and she came home, she has, according to her, people are calling her from the UK, the US, and even in Ghana here, saying that she's very ungrateful. And when she was in prison, they sent her money to take care of her mother and also her son and all that. So why she not even say thank you or even call to, you know, be grateful and all that? And Akuapem poloo showed some kind of remorse and saying that, oh, but whatever they are saying is not true, because she has not received any money. The only money that she has actually received was from those called celeb, and even that one, she's even thanked her and the people who sent the money and all that. But then her personal number of which DKB actually announced or put on social media people to send her money, she has not received a dime. And that people know her, and she's a grateful person. And even people who do things for her in secret, saying that she shouldn't thank them and all that. She comes on social media and thank those people. So why are people calling her and saying that she's ungrateful and all that? She's actually, you know, sad within her heart, and she wants to take this particular medium to tell people that, hey, I've not received anything. So if you sent something, probably didn't send it to the right number. Even if you send it to the right number, I have not received it. Guys, watch the video, and also don't forget to also drop your comments or opinion on this particular issue.
Guys, I'm recovering little by little by God's grace. There's something I want to clear because it's really tarnishing my name. You all know that I was being in cells, and then from there I went to jail. Since I came back from jail, a lot of people have been calling my business number, telling me that they've given money to some people to give it to me. And after I came back, I couldn't take their numbers to call them to say thank to them. You guys, you know, poloo appreciate any little thing anyone does for her. Not to talk of someone giving me money to support me and my son. I want to say that I signed those called celebrity who people gave her money to send to me and my mother, which she was even posting the reference on her page. Any money that she sent, she posted on her page. I have not received any money from any person. Since I came back from jail, people have been calling me from UK and US, telling me that they've given money to someone to give it to me, and then I didn't say thank you, so I'm ungrateful. I have not received any money from anyone aside those called celebrity. The woman called yesterday said she's called Aunt Ma Alice when I was in town doing delivery. When she called, she said she has given money to this DKB, 4,000. She said she's called Ma Alice. My English is no good. She has given DKB 4,000 to give it to me. And I didn't say thank. And she doesn't want to see me. She doesn't know me, and she doesn't even want to see me. The woman talked very bitterly. So I picked up my phone. I called DKB. I called him. And I was thinking maybe he was busy, so he was going to return my call. Till now, he has not returned my call. Guys, I beg you, save me from this trauma. I have not received any money. If I have received, I will thank you, because I really appreciate. Aside those called celebrity, I have not received any money from anyone. that you think you've given money to give it to me. I love you guys. Please, let's respect ourselves. You know, I'm a grateful being. Thank you.
Yeah, guys, so you heard the Akuapem poloo loud and clear, showing remorse and actually giving the details of the issue. Yes, so shortly after that, she actually dropped another video. Actually, you know, it's a follow-up video where it seems that she went to MTN to cross-check how some people are calling her or why some people are calling her saying they've sent her money, but she has not received. So, according to Akuapem, when she went to the MTN office at Jolu, to be precise, they told her that when the number was being announced on social media, they quickly had to, you know, deactivate or block the number because the number is not a merchant number, and we all know that if your number is not a merchant number, you can't receive bulk money or you can't use that particular number or money, number to raise funds. So even with a personal account, there's a limit in the number of amount you can receive, I think in a day or in a month or something. Yes, so looking at this particular explanation, I think there's an iota of truth in there. So according to her, she went to MTN. They were saying that because the number is not a merchant number, they had to block the number, and people who actually send the money will realize that the money will be returned to them and all that. So according to Akuapem poloo, yes, she was getting messages of people trying to send her money, but then she was quite confused and all that. But then when she went to the MTN office, they actually, you know, clarified, and she wants to use this medium, you know, to tell people that if you sent any money, she hasn't received the money, and from I think henceforth or so, when you send the money to come and all that. Okay, guys, listen to her, and also don't forget also drop your comment and opinion again in the comment section below. Let's get interactive in there.
I'm here again. I realized after I posted the video in the morning that I've not received any other money aside what those celebrities sent to me and my mom. My fans and people are here saying that I should go to MTN to verify and do a lot of things, blah blah blah. This is what happened. After DKB posted my number that people should support me, MTN blocked my MTN mobile money number. So I couldn't receive or send or even cash money because it was blocked. So that was why those calls even started sending the money to my mom. So most of those calls celebrating money went to my mom. DKB himself knows it because he started complaining that the mobile money you gave me, we can't send money. When we try, it bounces back. And most people here who tried to send money to me realized that the money was returning back to you, because I was seeing the messages. They will tell you that someone wants to send you money, they won't try sending you money, but because you can't receive money, it has been reversed back to the person. Yes. So after I was being granted bail from jail, I went back to MTN, the branch in Jolu. I went to them and they told me that my account was blocked because it's not merchant. And we posted it on social media for funds raising, which is wrong. So they blocked my account on the 20th of April. So I couldn't receive any money from anyone. And I'm saying it again, I didn't receive any money, physical money from anyone, because I was in jail. I was in cell. I couldn't receive any money. That is the truth. I stand for the truth. No one should attack me, because the cause that is coming since I was granted bail, that they are saying that they've done something for me and I've not said thank you to them. Guys, you know me, I'm a grateful heart person. If the people do things for me, they tell me not to say it, but I still come on social media for everybody to know what anybody has done.
So you heard the Akuapem poloo loud and clear, actually explaining the issues, the nitty-gritties of the issue, and where, you know, she fought and where she does not fought and all that. And she asking people to actually, you know, forgive her, and also, you know, all these kind of things. Yeah, so we've come to the end of the Trends on Social Media show right here on Odate Gist. As always, say, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to this amazing family of, you know, entertainment lovers and all, kindly subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below, and also click on the bell icon so that when I drop a content, you'll be the first to be notified. And don't forget to also follow me on all social media platforms. It's at Odate_Gist, especially on Instagram. I'm very active there. Follow me and get a gist about your favorite celebrities. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.